I think red's my color. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, as you can tell, I'm going to be doing a review of Wet n Wild's new limited edition holiday collection, Starlux. And I actually got really excited about this one because I'm a huge fan of stars. I love stars, and quite honestly, the packaging kind of sold me for it a little bit. So we're going to dive into that. So if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. So for Wet n Wild's collection, they came out with, let me see if I can get this right, 3 shadow quads, 3 highlighters, I think 5 lip glosses, 2 lip scrubs, and a highlighter brush. Yeah, I think that's it. Anyway, so I have it all in here in a package. So I picked up 2 of the 3 shadow quads. I wanted to get the third one. The third one actually had kind of like a green eyeshadow. It looked really cool, but of course that one sold out first. So I couldn't get my hands on that one. But anyway, so I was able to get the quads Jupiter Recognize and Let's Get Astrophysical. So these are the quads right here. I thought this was really cute. The packaging, it's just the cutest thing. So I got that, and I got a couple of lip glosses. I got a highlighter, the highlighter brush, and the lip scrub. I normally don't get lip scrubs because I kind of make my own at home, and I use that instead of buying one because I can make one for less than 10 cents instead of having to spend $2 or $3 or 10 or whatever. Anyway, so I usually don't buy it, but I did want to try it out. So let's see how this stuff is, if it's any good, and it's super affordable. Everything was under $6. So yeah, I was able to get pretty much quite a bit of stuff for not very much money. So let's see how this works out. I have not opened anything. I've just been admiring it because I wanted to do kind of a first impressions on camera. But let's see here. I'm going to open one of the quads here, and I'm going to do some swatches for you so you can kind of see how they look. The quad shadows do not have names, unfortunately, so I'm kind of just going to tell you by which direction everything is. So this first one is Let's Get Astrophysical, and these are just really, really pretty. So let's see how these feel. So these are the 4 shades that are in Astrophysical. I'm not really already a fan of this one because it was just crumbly, and this looks like something that's going to get in my eye. So I'm actually going to avoid that one, but if you want to use it, go for it. As for the other colors, feeling the texture, they feel a bit hard, a little bit. This bottom left one right here in the palette, this one right here, it's tending to, it looks kind of purpley-ish, but once you actually swatch it, it looks more white in a sense, but it gives that purpley iridescent hue to it. I really like this one and this one as well. So I'm going to see if I can combine the 2 palettes together to make one eye look. So now I'm going to swatch the other one for you. And I feel, looking at this, it looks like those 2 pressed glitter ones again that I'm not a huge fan of. It's one of the shades. Oh boy. Yeah. I'm already feeling the grittiness. I can feel the grittiness on this. And on this one too. This one you're definitely going to need like glitter glue or a concealer to kind of keep it in place because it's just gonna get everywhere. I can already tell. And some already fell down, of course. So this is definitely a very, that really swatched really nice. So those are the 4 colors of Jupiter Recognize. Again, there's no names, and has 2 mattes and 2 very, very chunky glittery shadows to it. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this glitter stuff. Again, use a glitter glue or a concealer or something to keep it in place because this stuff is gonna get everywhere. I can already tell it's gonna be that way. That brown one, that one was like butter. It was really nice. Again, these are very, the texture not as hard as that first one. Maybe it's just me. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna try and recreate a look. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna try and recreate a look using these two palettes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take Jupiter Recognize, and I'm gonna use this light brown, and I'm gonna use it as a crease color. I've already primed my lids, so we're gonna go with it and see how it looks. Would you guys be interested in me doing kind of a latest in beauty news kind of deal? I mean, I considered doing it kind of as a live stream, but maybe at first just doing it as a video, see if I can do it for like 5 minutes and just tell you what's going on. Obviously, there's going to be a whole bunch of launches going on all the time, but maybe 5-10 minutes. Let me know what you think. Put in the comments below, see if that's something that you might be interested in. And I'm kind of debating about doing something like that. I kind of want to, but I want to see what your thoughts are and see if that's something that you might be interested in. So the color here is blending out pretty good. I think it's working really nice. There's definitely pigmentation, which is good. So I really like this pinky kind of color from Let's Get Astrophysical, this top left one here. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to place that to the crease as well to kind of give that some more of a brighter color crease, a little more definition. This color is really, really pretty. It's definitely bringing out the crease in this. I'm going to use this lighter shade right here, and I'm going to put that over the lid. Yeah, not giving me the same effect using a brush was using my finger. I mean, there is pigmentation, but it's just so light. It definitely covered up that other eyeshadow, so there is pigmentation in that. I will say then that you will have to use some of your finger for some of these eyeshadows. I want to use that dark brown kind of as a liner to kind of just give me a little small wing, because I definitely have hooded eyes, so I want to just do a little wing with that dark brown just to see how it would go. Like I said, it swatched really nice, so I want to see how it will turn out. I mean, these colors seem to be very neutral, obviously, and they are just, you know, they're the typical colors that you would use in, you know, everyday looks. So it feels like I'm just putting the same nude neutral colors on my face, so it's not like amazing. So I'm going to do my other eye, and then we'll continue on with everything else to test out. Okay, so I put some blush on for our next little thing we're going to test out, which is the highlighter. And like I said, they came out with 3 of them. 3. And this one I got is called Star Crazy. So we're going to swatch that. They also came out with 1 brush in this collection, and it is the highlighter brush. This is the only thing I actually got out of packaging to clean, because I wanted to clean it first before I actually used it on my face. So this one, I love how it just is very ombre, and it's gradual color look to it. It also has kind of an indent to kind of hold it, and the brush is very, very fluffy, which I'm kind of surprised about, because I would think it would be a little more tapered. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but there's that. So like I said, just 1 brush. Oh boy, we're dealing with this glitter issue thing again for me. So I don't know if you could tell, but the one with all the stars, as pretty as it looks, it it looks like they're just gonna come off and crumble. So, oh, I don't like this. This is just so oily and just all right, There we go. Swatch. There is a bit of just glitter. And it just feels so oily. And that kind of fell down. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. No, that's just not gonna work for me. Let me try this other side here, the more gold tone. This is very buttery, not as oily. And holy mama, that swatched really, really pretty. Okay, let's see how that one turns out. I'm gonna stay away from the stars. As pretty as it is, it's just so oily. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these. I love stars, like I said. I don't want to put that on my face. I just immediately don't like the texture. So we're gonna try out their new brush. We're gonna try out this gold highlighter. What do you think? It looks, you can tell it's there. The shine is not like a really bam bright one. It's more of just a normal subtle one. Let's try this. Yeah, it's just very, very subtle. It does have a nice little shine to it. It's nice. Definitely more for someone who just wants, you know, a nice natural kind of glow to it. So it's very pretty. Definitely works for my skin tone. I like that. So for something under $6, I guess. Of course, you know, there are other two highlighters. If you don't mind having oily type glitter stuff on your face, this other side, I mean, I guess it's good, but I would not recommend it. It's just so oily and just slippery. It's not, I don't like it. The brush itself is not bad, and I think it works really well. It definitely dispenses the highlighter really nice. So I did get the lip scrub, and there's two of them, like I said, and this one I got was Planet Sugar Cookie, which makes me wonder if it smells like a sugar cookie, and it kind of does. You can smell the sugar cookie like really strong. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I can definitely feel the grittiness, and I'm just gonna wipe it off, and we're gonna see how that's gonna go with these two lip glosses that I picked up. But yeah, I feel like my lips got a little more scrubbed and the dead skin's off. So okay, so there are different lip glosses in this collection. There are no liquid lipsticks or anything like that, no liners, just glosses. So I picked up two of them, and I got the shades Comet Me Bro, and I got Honeymoon. And I just thought these were just really beautiful colors. So let me swatch them and show you. So here are the swatches. This is Honeymoon and Comet Me Bro. And just wanted to show you how they look. They're just very kind of, they're more in the glittery sense, but there is some pigmentation to it. So let me try out first Honeymoon. That's Honeymoon. If glitter doesn't come at you, I don't know what does. It's very pretty, very subtle. Definitely just brings out the natural color of my lips. Just kind of enhances them a little naturally. Looks really nice. There is so much glitter though, I will say that. That's like more than anything that you will see in this lip gloss. So now we're gonna try out Comet at Me Bro. It's so hard to say, I don't know why. It's just so hard to say. What do you guys think? Honestly, I'm not like a huge fan of the glosses. I mean, this one's not too bad. The honeymoon one was just like straight up glitter, more so than just a pigment. And I would have liked it with less glitter or no glitter, honestly. Just give me a straight shine. But this is the final look, and I thought it was interesting. Like I said, the highlighter, this specific one that I tried out, I only liked one of them out of the two. I wouldn't touch it. It was just so oily, and the stars are so huge. You're just putting chunks on your face, and I was not a fan of that. And it seemed like that's something you have to use your finger for, and I'm not in for dipping if I can help it. The eyeshadow quads, I think, while I think they're really nice, they seem to be more on the neutral tone. There's only a couple of colors that I really like that I probably will use more frequently. I'm not a fan of that chunky, sparkly eyeshadow. No, I'm staying away from that. Not for me. That's gonna eat my eyes. I just don't like that at all. The highlighter brush I thought was okay. I thought it was pretty good. It definitely dispensed the highlighter very well. And the lip scrub definitely my lips felt a lot smoother, softer after removing all the dead skin. So there's that. And I think with that, I think we're done with this review, and I hope you enjoyed it and got some information out about it. Right now, this collection is available on wetandwildbeauty.com. This collection will be coming to Ulta soon, is what they say. So look out for that if you're interested. That third eyeshadow quad, I'm really interested in trying out that green eyeshadow and seeing for myself how it looks. Looks really pretty, really rich, and yeah, I hope this was good for you. And I hope you have a good day, great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you. Take care. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And yeah, take care, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.